Hey there, welcome to Contracko. I'd like to introduce the platform I've been working on for the past few months. And our purpose is to help business owners handle all their contracts with ease. No more losing contracts, missing key deadlines, or having issues with collaboration. You can now get ahead of the ball by seeing whatever key contract dates are coming up, whether they are end dates, notice dates, or other critical dates that might be in your contract, and you can use AI to interpret the legalese. Getting started is easy. We have a 7-day free trial, and if you land on our site, you could simply get started by dragging in a file. I have prepared for you a freelancer agreement here, very simple. We'll pretend we are Tech Venture Solutions, and we have a freelance agreement with the fictional Sarah Anderson for a fixed amount per year. It renews annually, and there are some terms. So to get started, on our site, simply drag in a PDF or a Word file, and you'll be asked to create an account. So let's do this together. I will just Tech Ventures. Just create this sub-account. I will set up a login that I'm going to save. And I'll say, okay, the organization is Tech Ventures. And then we are an LLC, our legal name. This helps the AI model better interpret contracts. And we're going to create an account. Gorgeous. I am now being sent an email that we need to receive up to get the verification code, which I have. Excellent. And we are in. We'll skip two-factor for now. And this is our onboarding. Onboarding is a smooth process. And as you could see, we are already processing the file that you've just uploaded. And AI is looking at all the key data that we need to get. And as soon as it's done, we're going to be informed. Okay, the contract is done. Excellent. Here you go. Contract's been created on your behalf, the file's been updated, and you could see it has extracted. This is a freelance agreement. Here are the key values. It's been categorized, the counterparty's been created, the annual values are made, as well as the key dates related to the contract, namely when it starts at the beginning of this year and when it ended at the end of this year. This particular contract renews for a single year, and our system has suggested some default notifications so that you don't forget to assess this contract and to potentially cancel or renegotiate it as necessary. So I'll now hit publish and save, and we can trigger a example notification so that you could see how mentions are going to be sent to your email. So let me just go ahead and do that. I have now received this, and I'm refreshing my inbox. Okay, gorgeous. So right here, you could see the notice period reminder that's being sent for this particular contract. So it'll give you all the key dates, and you or your teammate can then action this accordingly. So no more missed deadlines, unintentional contract renewals, no more lost files, and you don't need to know this or understand or read the small legalese letters of your contracts anymore. You could fully leverage Privacy First AI to be on top of all the paperwork your business has. And the way business owners should be using this, and the way I recommend it, is basically over time, you just import everything that you acquire, be it software subscriptions, rental agreements, agreements with vendors or suppliers, which is as simple as dragging in a file either here or here to the sidebar, and AI is going to get to work and set up all these things for you and set up sensible notifications and defaults so that you can rest at ease knowing that you are not going to lose any of these things. And if you need to find them, it's going to be so simple. We have smart search. And also, we have a gorgeous calendar feed with which you can stay ahead of the ball and not just be dependent on reactive notifications. You can subscribe using your preferred calendar, be it Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook, via dynamic link. And whenever you add contracts or update them, it's going to get sent straight to your calendar of choice, be it on web or mobile. Excellent. So I invite you to go to contracko.com and set up your account now. Within 1 or 2 minutes, you're going to be set up, and hopefully it's going to help you run your business quicker, cheaper, and with less stress.